Whether you printed from your own device over the cloud portal or you came in and used one of our computers in one of the computer labs, you're going to release your print job the same way. And remember that you can go to any lab that has GoPrint to release it. You don't have to release it in the lab you were in, and you don't have to choose which lab you are going to release it from if you did it online. So whenever you get to one of those GoPrint release stations, you're going to want to look for the one that's a TouchNet release station. There will be only those in the future, but this summer there might still be two. You'll go ahead and put in the card number. Click on Login. It'll take a moment to show your two print jobs or whatever print jobs you have. And so you'll see that I only see the jobs that I printed, no one else's jobs. And so I can select all. I can click on Preview if I want to see what that job looks like. I can go back, and you'll notice that right now it's saying that it's going to print one page and it's going to be in black and white. I can tell it's going to be in black and white because the price is 10 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and click on print and choose one of the black and white copiers. If I choose the color copier, it will still come out in black and white. So just choose one of those, and then it will print that document. And if you click on exit, then it'll show you what you have left on in your balance and what printed, and then you can go pick that up from the printer in the location you're at. And one thing to keep in mind is that if you printed something in color, and that's what you would choose either on the computer in one of our labs, or what you would choose when you sent the job through the portal, it'll say that you have that document. It'll say that it's 15 cents. And when you preview, it'll show you color. But it's still going to ask you which printer to choose. And so when you click on print, you have to select that document. If you don't, you'll get that message. When you click on print, you're going to want to choose that color. If you don't, it will still print it in black and white, and it will still charge you 15 cents. So make sure you choose the copier or the spot that's color, and then go ahead and print your document, and the rest of it looks the same. And then click on exit, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out.